Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to wish all of my subscribers happy Easter. Hope everyone enjoyed their Easter and be safe. Alright, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my Guyanese hot cross buns. I'm gonna be making it different this time from the other two versions that I made before. If you guys want to see those two versions of how I make my hot cross buns, I will leave it in the iCard above, the description box below, or on the end screen. Alright, so I hope you guys gonna enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Alright, all my measurements and ingredients for this hot cross buns will be in the description box down below, and I want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. That would be great. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my Guyanese hot cross buns. Enjoy. Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my Guyanese hot cross buns. So over here I have some coconut milk, orange peel, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, melted butter, coconut oil, white sugar, vanilla essence. I have some raisin that I chop up finely, 1 egg, yeast, baking powder, and some all-purpose flour. So let's get started. So I'm gonna mix up all my dry ingredients now. So I'm gonna pour in my sugar, yeast and baking powder, my nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and orange peel powder, and I have my raisin. I chop it up very fine, and then I'm gonna mix everything up into the flour, just like this. So now I'm gonna mix my wet ingredients. So over here I have my vanilla essence, my 1 egg, my melted butter, and over here I have my coconut milk. You can use normal milk, whole milk, but today I'm just gonna switch it up and use coconut milk. Put a little bit at a time. So now you're gonna mix it in. Just like this. So you're gonna keep on mixing it. So you gotta use your hands now to knead it. So let me get some flour. So I'm just pour a little bit of flour. Put some on your hands. And you can knead it right in the bowl here. Just like this. So you're gonna knead this for 5 minutes. So my dough finished kneading. So what I'm gonna do now is just turn it over and sit down like this, like into a big ball. I have some coconut oil here. I'm gonna put some in my hand and just rub it all over, just like this. Perfect. Then you're gonna take a towel and just rest it over. And you're gonna leave it for about 4 to 5 minutes to hour to rise, double in size. So we'll be back. See you in 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 4 to 5 minutes. So my dough is double in size, as you can see there. So what I'm gonna do is give it a punch. Flour my hands a little bit. Take it out of the bowl here. Put on this cotton board there. Just like this. So now I'm gonna just cut it in half. in half again. So I have 8 crossbuns here. I've been making 8 crossbuns. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna roll them into a ball, just like this. This is 1. 2. So now I'm going to put the crossbuns into the pan. I just put like a parchment paper. You can give it a little space as well too, so it can rise. Alright, so I just put all of the crossbuns into the pan there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it and let it rest for about 20 minutes. So we'll be back. So while my dough is rising there, I'm going to make the cross for the crossbuns. So over here I have some flour, sugar, and some coconut milk. So this is the flour there. I'm going to put in my sugar. And I'm going to put a couple spoon of the coconut milk. Mix, mix, mix. Put some more coconut milk. Continue to mix until it gets smooth. So I finished mixing up the flour mixture for the cross for the buns. So what I'm going to do here, I have a bag here. I'm going to pour the mixture into the Ziploc bag. Or if you have a piping bag, you can use your piping bag as well. Pull it out from the glass there. I'm going to get a knife or scissors and cut the end there. So we'll be back. So I'm going to make my cross now with the paste. So first thing I'm going to do here is come from this side here. And keep on going straight down. Doing the other side here as well. Come over on this side as well. Perfect. We're going to do over here too. Make the cross just like this. So I'm going to put this in the oven to bake for about 25 minutes on 325. So we'll be back. So my crossbuns is all finished, and I'm going to use some syrup on it. I'm not making the syrup with the sugar and the water, so I'm just going to use my pancake syrup instead. The easy way. So I have my syrup in here. I have my brush. I'm just going to gently put my syrup on top of my crossbuns. So this is the end results for my Guyanese hot crossbuns. So I'm going to be eating my crossbuns with some cheese. So here you go. I've done already cut it open. As you can see, it's so soft and fluffy in this inside. I'm going to put my cheese here. Alright, so I have one of my hot cross buns here. I'm going to taste it on the camera and let you guys see. I already put the cheese inside of it. So here it goes. Mmm. This cross bun is so delicious, guys. So delicious. So I hope you guys try this recipe and leave a comment down below and tell me how you guys enjoy your cross buns, alright? So if you reach the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new, alright? So hope everyone enjoyed the Easter. Be safe. Take care, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.